Hi, this is introduction lesson to the course on simulating resources using process modeling library. Reza is here, welcome. In the following lessons, I'll talk about the process modeling resources and how to use them, some tips and tricks. To know process modeling and to learn how to create a process modeling layout, please go to our academy in academy.visualcomponents.com and then the course Introduction to Process Modeling. Just to let you know, I'll be using these folders in the library that have the process modeling components. PM stands for process modeling. So for example, PM resources. After this course, you should be able to use forklift resource, and also Mrs. Anna and Mr. Otto can help you in your layouts. There is also resource utilities, charging and idle locations will be used. Also the pallet jack, and then the pathway area as well. Mobile robots are also part of the lessons in this course. As you can see, we have quite a few mobile robot brands. What I'll be using in the lessons is this generic mobile robot, but basically by using this, you can easily replace it with any other brand and start using that one. To do these lessons, you need Visual Components version 4.3, Essentials version, and in a couple of the tutorials you might need also access to Modeling tab, which requires Professional or Premium version. But you should be good to go mainly with an Essentials version. And the target audience for these lessons are a wide range of users. There could be system integrators, there could be project planners or managers. In case you want to sell, for example, AGVs, you can learn here how to simulate them. In case you're a buyer, you can make a plan what type of AGV will be good, how many you need next to your human workers. In case you're an R&D or IT manager, in case you're a teacher or a student and you want to educate yourself how to use resources like humans or AGVs inside the production line. And also to automate the line further if you are an automation engineer, and so on. So it's covering a wide range of use cases for different people in different fields. Have fun with the lessons, and if you have any question, open up a discussion in our forum. If you find issues, you can also contact us on support. Have a good one, and bye for now.